Mental health for future ready. What is an online class? An online class is a course conducted over the internet. They are generally conducted through a learning management system in which students can view their course syllabus and academic progress, as well as communicate with fellow students and their course instruction. Program. This program is structured based on the study factors affecting the mental health of students in engaging the new system of education online class. The proponent would like to explain to the students the possible factors affecting the mental health of students during online class. The program aims to raise an awareness to students in managing their mental health in online education, to emphasize the advantages of being mentally healthy in the academic performance, to show the factor why some students obtain anxiety and depression. The effects of online classes to student mental health. Number 1. According to a report published by Pew Research Center, a rising number of students are from lower-income families. Studies show the significant strong relationship between poverty and psychological stress. Gilla 2020, they mostly suffer from information technology resources. Wong Hu, Cheng, Gu, and Zheng 2015, due to digital inequalities and lack of access to modern technology, students from lower-income families have limited or no access to online classes. Number 2. Students are not equivalent to a single classroom from different perspectives. Surprisingly, students with new technology or novice students suffer from multiple stressors. Crooks, Smith, Robinson, Link, Orientain, and Huber 2020. Many students acquire knowledge prominently, some do not. Number 3. The mental health issues students experience during distance learning are due to an interplay of factors, said one of country's top psychiatrists, who added that such issues cannot be solely attributed to the difficulties of the revamped education system. It's a very complex issue or concern. We need to look at it as an interplay of a lot of factors. These factors are biological, psychological, social, and sometimes spiritual. Dr. Joanne Rifaril of the Philippines Psychiatric Association told Rappler in an interview on Wednesday, October 21. What is the focus of the program? The objective of this program is to raise an awareness to students about their mental health and how to deal with it. It will also depict the advantage of being mentally healthy to excel in academic performance as the pandemic arises. There are some cases that students took their own lives due to depression and anxiety. Through this proposed program, it will pave a way to save other students from these provoking mental traits and will motivate them to study despite the crisis on this program. I will provide activities to the students for them to participate. Program title, Mentally Healthy for Future Ready, a virtual seminar. Program statement, students who have lack of motivation to study due to their mental health problems. Program objective statement, to conduct a program that will uplift the eagerness of the students to study in an online setting. Program implementers, selected grade 11 students. Benefits of the program. The students will have an idea on how to cope up with online class and how to be mentally healthy. It will also provide pertinent information about tips to get rid of anxiety and depression and to excel in academics. Outcome of the program. The students will be more accustomed to the online class setup and will get rid of mental health issues. Work plan matrix. Activities, topics, output, implementation day, person responsible. Pre-event survey rate your mental health and your academic performance. Answer survey via Google Forms. March 26, 2021, 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. Teacher, coordinator, organizer, grade 11 students. Talk what a mental health and how to be mentally healthy. Listen to the speakers. The talk will be held via Zoom or Google Meet. March 26, 2021, 1:30 to 30 p.m. Teacher or coordinator, organizer, grade 11 students. Talk how to cope up with online class. Listen to the speakers. The talk will be held via Zoom or Google Meet. March 26, 2021. Program Implementation Plan. Frame time, activities, outputs. March 15 to 16, 2021. Pre-implementation plan. Presentation for the program. Program proposal development, program proposal submission, compilation and editing of instructional materials. Meeting with the events committee. Approve proposal materials. March 17 to 20, 2021. Speakers looking for speakers. Compilation of the presentation of the speakers and their credentials. Memorandum of agreement with the speakers. March 18 to 25, 2021. Registration period. Promoting the event. Preparing the conference link. Sending the registration forms to the students. Gathered registered audience for the event. Time frame, activities, outputs. March 26, 2021. Implementation proper, mentally healthy for future ready. Submitted output, submitted research proposal. Answer survey of the students online conference. Post-implementation. March 29, 2021. Completion report of the program. Documentation of how the program went. Submitted post-event documentation. Materials, explanation, justification, cost estimate, person responsible. Printing for documentation. Materials needed for the proposal of the program. 100 pesos. Teachers, coordinator, organizer, grade 11 students. Memorabilia for speakers. Memorabilia to be sent to the speakers for their time and efforts. 1,000 pesos. Teacher, coordinator, organizer, grade 11 student. Conclusion. After conducting the event, the students obtained profound knowledge regarding mental health and online academic performance. They should apply it in order for them to be successful in the future as they become more flexible in dealing with unprecedented times just like the pandemic. It will also help them to be trained in online class because they will apply when they get work someday. Thank you for listening. Mentally healthy for future ready. My name is Gilla Sedena from 11HEA.